course, we start off with the smallest of our puppets, which is just this little small hand puppet. And then we move to this larger one, and this is the third largest, and of course we have a real large one which is about twice the size of that. This is one of the 4 of the Audrey 2 puppets. This one comes in for one scene, and it of course is operated by the guy who plays Seymour. I would say that this is, you know, not the most complex thing I've ever done. It's sort of in the middle range of complexities, but it's because of the multitude of puppets that you have to have, you know, because there are 4 in the show, and you have to all have them sort of similarly look alike, you know, and the operators, of course, have, you know, when I was doing it for the Children's Theater, I wanted to make sure that the puppets weren't so big and cumbersome that, you know, the operators couldn't operate them. Usually, because I've done other productions of this, the puppets are huge, and they weigh, you know, I think 100 pounds, the largest one, sometimes 100, 150, 200 pounds, you know, and you have to have a hefty guy really kind of lifting this puppet. And here I was trying to think about how we can make them lighter, and so that the operators could be, you know, multitude of operators. I used a lot of foam. I used, this is actually a swimming pool, a couple of swimming pools. These are actually Easter eggs. You know, these are all like plastic Easter eggs you can buy and cut and made into things. And so is that one, small little Easter egg. It's a lot of fun, and it's really interesting because you create your vision of what Audrey 2 would be like, you know. When I agreed to do this, I was like looking at all the different kinds of Audrey 2s there were. You know, some of them are really large and very pod-like. So there's all different versions of it. So I wanted to create something that was in line with the traditional Audrey 2, but also, you know, our take on it.